Hi, in this video we're going to multiply algebraic terms together where you might have negative terms. So we can see here, for example, that is negative 4y. So we're trying to multiply together 3x and multiply and minus 4y. So remember that in algebra, when we times these things together, we end up putting them next to each other without the times symbol. So for example, if I had xy, with the letters next to each other, the variables next to each other, that means x times y. Just like if I had 2xy, that means we have 2 times x times y with them multiplied together. And also remember that if we had, say, x squared, that means x multiplied by itself. Or if we had x cubed, that means x times itself, where you can see that the number of x's you're multiplying together, there's 3 of them, and that's the 3 that you've got there. Okay, right, let's do these problems. Let's first multiply the numbers together, because remember, we always have the number in front of the term. So we'd say 2xy, we wouldn't say xy2, for example. The number always comes first. And let's think, we've got this 3 here, multiplied by the negative 4. Remember that positive times negative is negative. So 3 times 4 would be 12, but 3 times negative 4 would be negative 12. So we're going to have negative 12. And then you have the variables, the letters in alphabetical order. So we've got an x, and I can see we've got a y. So that would be the final answer. What about the second one? This time, if we do the numbers first, we've got negative 5 times negative 6. Remember, negative times negative is positive, and 5 times 6 is 30, so it's going to be positive 30. And then the letters, the variables in alphabetical order, I can see we've got this a squared here, so you keep the power on the a, it's a squared, and then you've got this b here, so it's that. So we get 30a squared b. That's the final answer. What about the last one? Well, I can see the numbers. We've got minus 4 times by 3. Negative times positive is negative, so it's going to be minus 12. And then the letters in alphabetical order, the variables, sorry, in alphabetical order, I can see we've got a p. And then we also have a q times by another q. Q times q is q squared, we saw, and that will be it. So we get negative 12 pq squared will be the final answer.